Hi, if you want to use built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then you need to go in Settings. Here find Display tab, and then scroll a bit down to find Edge Panels. So as a first step, we need to enable Edge Panels by tapping on the switcher, and after that this line will appear on the right edge of the phone, which you can drag to the left side to open Edge Panel. The next thing we need to do is tap Panels, and additionally find Tools and add them to our Edge Panel. So apps are here by default, but we need to enable Tools as well and use this back arrow. And after that you can swipe left and you'll see this list of apps which you can easily reach. But to find compass, swipe left again, and here it is. So compass will access your location data, therefore tap next. And now you need to tilt and rotate your phone back and forth to calibrate compass. So let's just try this out. So here you can see instruction how you need to calibrate it. So let's do it for about a minute. And this is how it looks now. So you can find your location. You can find here south, north, west, east, and simply calibrate it like that. And yeah, if you wanna exit your Edge Panel, just use back arrow or tap anywhere on free space of the screen. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.